after the winter time, one of the first flowers to indicate the spring is mango, and mango trees, they are one of the Chinna, Kandarpa Chinna, Kamadev Chinna. They're one of the symbols of Kamadev. The crescent moons, Ardhachandra, and the mango blossoms, and the Makari, like Krishna wears Makara. He wears his dolphin, like shark, they say shark, but it's more like a dolphin, earrings. They're the male, and the female is called Makari. So Radharani has sometimes painted on her cheeks, Makari. So when it says, they make, many poets, they say, oh, when Radha and Krishna are dancing, it says the Makara is enjoying with the Makari. Because Krishna's earrings they hang, they're big, they're like shaped like a fish, so they're dancing, and Radharani's cheek and Krishna's earring. This is just some sweet imagery. They play Makari, Makara, Makari. So when Radharani sees the mango blossoms, the little first is a blossom, leaf blossom and a flower blossom. So the flowers, the mango blossoms, they're the symbol of beginning of spring and the symbol of love, or Kamadev, desire. Because in spring, all the flowers come, and everyone knows that spring is a romantic time, especially in Vrindavan. Vasant Bihari.